Anyway, today we're going to make sesame bread, and we are going to make tuna patties. So we'll start making the sesame bread because that takes a little longer. So what we'll do is we'll get our bowl, get 1 kilo of flour, and what we'll do is we'll do 20 grams of yeast. There you go. And now we'll grab salt and we'll do 10 grams of it. We'll do 100 grams of sugar. Now we'll do 60 grams of milk powder. We're adding the milk powder now. It's 60 grams. And now what we'll do, so for this we melt the butter. We melt 200 grams of butter. We'll grab our swirly attachment. We'll just put it on low for right now. And since that butter won't be enough, we're going to have cold water. We'll add so that's not good enough, so we'll add just a little bit more, not too much because you don't want it too thick. Add a little bit more water, we'll leave it like that. We'll turn it up higher. So now we'll put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Here's what it looks like. It's not too sticky. It's just right. See? Not too sticky. So now we'll just put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Now we are going to make now we're going to form the bread. So what we'll do is we'll grab just a little bit like this. Because we put yeast in it, it's gonna rise. So we'll just get it a little piece like that. That doesn't work, you just go like that. Just keep on grabbing little balls. So just go around. See? Just like that, over and over again. Now they've been sitting for an hour. Now we're going to put them in the oven. First, we'll put parchment paper. So I used 2 eggs, and now we will just mix in the yolk with the yolk with the white egg. And now we'll just grab our hair paintbrush, and we'll just paint with egg. And I will grab sesame seeds. Perfecto! There you go. And now we'll just put it in the oven for, I think 25 minutes. We are going to make the tartar sauce for the tuna patty. So what we'll do is we'll do 4 soup spoons of mayonnaise. And now we'll do 2 of these spoons of mustard. And the relish. 2, just basically not too much relish, just a little bit. Basically, all you really need is 2 spoons of this. Mix it. And there you go. There's tartar sauce. There's tartar sauce. And now we're going to make the tuna patties. Okay, so we'll get. I use tuna steak, and it's really good with this. So what we'll do, so we don't get the oil in there, we'll grab our sieve, and we'll basically just drain all the oil out. So I use 4 cans of tuna, and now we will cut our vegetables. We won't use this whole onion, we'll just use half of the onion. Cutting the onion. Now I'll put them in the tuna patties. And now I'll cut up parsley. It calls for celery, but we can't find celery here, so we use parsley. There you go, now we'll put it in. Put it in, and now what we'll do, we have that, and now we'll put in eggs. So 4 eggs. Just put that in. This is, and now we will get we'll have breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. This is 4 cups of breadcrumbs. Grab a little bit. Grab the patty. You see, you make it flat, kind of like a patty. Just set it out. Do it again. Yeah. Hey. flat it, put it down, grab it, grab it, grab it, hit it, flat it, flat it, flat it, put it down. Oh, it's not good. Hit it, put it down. Hey, we'll sprinkle some seasonings on top. We'll do everything bagel seasoning. Sprinkle it on top. And now we'll get I think it's garlic salt. It's written in Spanish, I think. I don't know what it says.
Complete seasoning.
It's complete seasoning. And I will do Provence herb of Provence, and we'll just sprinkle it on top.
Is that painful?
No, it's Provence herb. And there we go. And now we'll get our oil ready, and we'll fry them.
Got anything to say, Zylan?
We're going to fry the tuna patties. Now we'll just let it sit for a while. Put it on this plate when it's ready. Nope, never mind. They're not ready yet. Actually, it's fine.
I can break them on the floor.
We'll make it through the We'll make it through the It's giving us the cameraman. He's gonna make it through the Now what you gonna do? Jeez, look at these! They're beautiful! My goodness! So, a sandwich. Here you go, your tuna patty, your bun, and tuna tartar. There you go. Here's your sandwich. Please subscribe and like it.